driver changes several lanes at once and for some unknown reason pushes away a group of bikers. It seems that the driver completely doesn't care about the biker, tries to provoke him.
Somebody else go down? Hey, what's going on?
Give me your kids.
We got your kid, man.
And you act like you did, like we're I'm calling you out on it, bro. That's what I did. So when you said he didn't mean it like that, what did I say? And you did that to your coach. No, I said he told us the lost one. What I said. That's what I said. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Let's just go, man. It's not worth it. You got your kid here. Let's go.
Come on,
let's just go, man. It's not worth it. Good old St. Louis.
The driver chose the worst possible place and moment for the illegal U-turn.
Wow.
One of the drivers noticed the biker and was kind enough to wait for his passage.
Oh my god. This is why I need to buy a SiegeMoto. Thank you. Top guy.
This is one of the worst things you can experience during a ride, a friend with a completely broken bike. Unfortunately, the biker didn't manage to communicate to the driver about keeping a safe distance.
Did you see him? Did you see the guy back there? He was like that far away from me.
Car, yeah?
Yeah.
I see you.
Yeah, he's...
Yeah.
And then another motorbike as well overtook him and he beeped.
Yeah.
What a... I got him on here.
He's klaxon, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Get out of my lane!
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.